Alright, here's a follow-up video for the RollPax. So that red fuel pack right there, made by RotoPax. I just put those on about a week ago. I like them. They're cool. The red kind of pulls up the tail lights, the hijack lift inside. I got a fire extinguisher, it's red. But I'm thinking, maybe leave the red. But you see this white one on the side? Just doesn't seem to go right. And the way RotoPax works is red's for fuel, white is for water, yellow's for diesel, orange is a tools recovery, there's a black for storage. So it just doesn't go. That white and the RollPax white just kind of sticks out oddly, right? There's nothing white on the truck. So when I did my first video on the RollPax, I said I was going to get some plastidip. So this one is green. I think that should go well with the red and not compete with the green color of this truck. This truck, by the way, I've had people ask, what color is that? It's actually an Audi color called Goodwood. Except in this case, there was a lot more gold fleck added. So kind of customize the Audi Goodwood color. And it just, that gold makes a difference. That gold fleck makes a difference. So back to our Camel. Came in three flavors. Sorry, I didn't taste them yet. Came in three colors. So green, military green. This is supposed to be brown. The cap doesn't really look brown, so I don't know if that one's gonna go. And then this one, tan, beige, army beige, which guess what? It goes pretty good with the Yeti. So I'm gonna spray this this water RotoPax. I'm gonna do the beige on one side, the brown on the other, and let's see what that looks like. Be right back. So I did empty the fuel, 3 gallons. Truck needed it. I can fuel up again, so I can paint that. And just to show you, this is brand new. It's been a week. I did go on the trail, and already, you know, it took some hits along there. I guess I hit some rocks. That's how intense we do it. I do have off-roading videos on this truck, so subscribe to the channel and you will see them. But yeah, I figure why not paint it? Because you're not going to paint that in red. You're never going to match it. And when you're on the trail, yeah, other RotoPax, they've been around for years. They're kind of faded out. The sun's going to, you know, burn through plastic. So I think if you want to freshen up your RotoPax, plastidip is the way to go. It's adhering well. I'm waiting for my first coat of brown to dry. And up here, these will stay clean because they're, you know, they're not going to get hit, but they will fade. You know, with the top down, that red will fade. So if you have, RollPax are brand new, so they're coming like this. I'm still going to paint them. But if you have an old RotoPax, freshen it up and match the color of your truck, you know, or you know, a nice complementary color. All right, let's go hit another coat of the brown and the tan. So there it is, tan. I do want to add more coats, but tan looks good. I mean, from a distance, it's pretty bang on with that Yeti. A little lighter. And I think when I put the gloss coat, it will darken it up a bit. But I'm surprised, you know, as long as you do very light coats, don't put it too thick. Look how it's actually, with the logo, it looks OEM, it looks original, it looks like this is the way it's. Now that's the brown side. I kind of had a feeling it wasn't gonna look good. I don't like it. So it's brown, it's darker than the Yeti. So on some trucks it would look great. To me, it's introducing yet another color, you know, on the color scheme of the vehicle. So I think beige, tan is the way to go. So I'll finish hitting that and then I'll start the green coat on the fuel pack. So on the red fuel tank, those of you who have painted before, and in the world of painting, red is one of the hardest colors to cover. Red and black. So what I did is, the brown can that I didn't like, I'm using it as a base coat. And that way I'm not using up all my, because I got 1 can of each. I might not have enough of the green Camo to finish off the RollPax. We'll see. So couple coats of this. You want to do real light coats when you're using plastidip, so you get a nice finish. Look at that finish so far. Thin, 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 and just build up your coats. So I'm going to do one more brown, and then I'll start hitting it with the green, and that way maybe we'll get better coverage. But the tan are done, and they are looking good, so I'll be right back again. Alright, I used up all of the paint, so I got 3 cans, and it's looking pretty good. There's the top for the FJ. So I used up 3 cans. I won't be able to do the RollPax. And, oh, someone just pulled up home. Let me back that up and we'll look at these painted cans. So yeah, that one red one, not enough paint. But I'm going to see, once I put everything up, maybe I'll leave that. Maybe I'll paint it the army green or the camouflage green. We'll see. All right, let me move a car so we can get a better shot when they're on. Okay, there she is, finished product. So the white is gone. So remember, I was saying how the Yeti, the beige on the Yeti matches up with that. I kind of like the yellow and the red cap pieces right there, there and there. Just gives like a little color detail, but not a ton. But the camouflage, I think those work nice. And because the green separates the Yeti from, you know, not the exact same color tan, I think that works. And then look up here, this is a little bit more camouflage. Before that was white, so that would just, you know, not that it was an eyesore, it was just looked out of place in my book. You know, if it was on a white Land Cruiser like that, yeah, that could be cool because it would blend in. And the red, as I mentioned, I ran out of paint, so I'm thinking of doing this color on the red. And you know, it seems like you get about a can, you know, 1 can for, you know, 1 small RotoPax and a RollPax. I managed to get the tan on 2 items, maybe because I was just covering white, and when you're covering red it needs more coats, so I did use that brown one that came in that 3-pack. So I'll order some more. Message below, tell me what you think. Should I leave the red as is? Should I paint it in the camo green? Let me know. And of course I'm going green for fuel, tan for water, not to mix them up obviously, even though they have a little red cap or a yellow cap at the top. And speaking of caps, check out this cool Land Cruiser hat. So tell you what, for the next the 100th subscriber, so over the next 100 subscribers, I'm going to give away one of these hats because I got a bunch of them. I just bought them recently because they're just too darn cool. Paying homage to the F45. So the 100th subscriber gets that, but you know what? Don't subscribe for that. Subscribe for the content of FJ's Land Cruisers. I will keep the content coming. As you see those trucks down there. The FJ 1974 red one and the 8962. All right, so there you have it. Plastidip on the RotoPax. If you got old ones, refresh them. If you got brand new ones, maybe enjoy them for a year or two, but once they start fading, give it some color, give it some pizzazz. And last time I was on the trail, I didn't see anybody with their RotoPax painted. So, and I think that's going to hold up. And again, if it doesn't, the plastic, whether you got a red one, yeah, you're going to scratch it and damage it. Well, this has got plastidip, so guess what? Just sand it a bit and reshoot it. Doesn't take long. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I'll keep the content coming.